Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's almost Halloween and I'm ready for some new fun makeup looks. So today I'm going to be recreating my version of the nun, and it's kind of like a half-faced, cracked kind of, like if my real face is cracking off and the evil face is coming out from underneath. So I'm starting by gluing down my eyebrows and then going over it with concealer so it could look like I don't have an eyebrow. And then I'm just going to conceal the area that I want to look really evil and scary. So just over the side of my face. And then I'm going to set it with a loose setting powder just so it's not so creamy and it just looks really smooth and white. Then with a light brown and an angled brush, I'm gonna lightly sketch out the area that I want to look really scary. Then with the same angled brush, I'm gonna outline the areas that I want to contour. I'm doing this with black. And because she's from like a scary movie, they made everything really exaggerated since it's like effects makeup. It's like really bony. I'm contouring my nose and kind of like chiseling it out so it looks like hers. It's kind of crooked in a way. The tip's really pointy and the cheekbones are pretty high. She has a big brow bone that looks really evil and mad. So I'm just gonna exaggerate all of that with a black eyeshadow. I'm pretty much using just black eyeshadow and then the white base, which was like a really light concealer underneath. So this is a really simple look as long as you know how to shade. So you'll notice that I start with a smaller brush to put where I want the black to go, and then I'll go in with a bigger brush to blend everything out. And I kind of just repeat this over and over, touch up areas that I feel like need more black, areas that I want to have more wrinkles, and you'll just see me kind of go over this over and over until I get it the way that I like it. So you can do it how you prefer. I wanted this really shaded in because I just wanted it really dark and evil. I know that sounds creepy, but it just looks better for the pictures. Now for my lid, I'm using the same black eyeshadow and I'm just packing it on. I noticed that it kind of like falls off and it doesn't stay on as good as I would like it. So I'll go back in later on with a liquid eyeliner and cover most of my eyelid, and then I'll set it with the same black eyeshadow just so it can set it in there and it looks really dark and really pigmented. You'll start to notice right here, it's not taking where I covered my eyebrow, so I'm trying to pack the black on as much as I could, but for some reason the glue is just not allowing the eyeshadow to stick to it. But I kind of just use the shape of my eyebrow as a guide to make it look like a big huge brow bone, so I kind of shaded around it to make it look like I'm just really angry and pissed off. Now with this same liquid eyeliner, I'm going to add some wrinkles on my face and then just kind of define areas that need to be a little bit darker. The black eyeliner I feel like will really help it stand out. Now while I'm using this eyeliner, I'm going to use it to sketch out the cracked part of my face and define the little cracks and crevices on there, just so that way it looks like my face is cracking off on one side, and I'm also moving it over so that way I can get my lips in there to look scary as well. Okay, and I couldn't find my black lipstick for this part, so bear with me because I had to use eyeshadow on my lips. They were so dry after this, but it also helped because the eyeshadow I can like smear out. Now, if you were to really have your face cracking off, there would be some little shadow underneath. That's why I'm adding a little bit of black around the cracking area right there. And then I'm going to go in and put eyeliner on my inner corner to darken the whole eye all the way around. And then just to get it a little bit better in my eyelash hairs, I went over it with liquid eyeliner on the top as well. Now this part is completely optional, but I thought it would be cool to add a white makeup, just outlining the cracks of the face to highlight it. Just how we have the shadow, I wanted to highlight the other half of the face as well. Now you can put on your nun costume and your look is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Halloween videos and regular glam videos after that.